With the enclosure secured,
Here in the sanctuary, the armadillos receive a carefully balanced diet of fresh fruit and protein-rich insects. Each animal is documented for health and traceability.
with the enclosure secured, the armadillos begin their transition to the new habitat under the warm evening light.
All right, little one, watch your step on the concrete. Inside we go.
Each hide is tracked from this point forward.
The transition is complete. The raw material is ready for processing. The hides must be meticulously inspected before moving to the tanning stage. The unique armor plating requires precise sorting. The initial wash removes all organic debris.
You know, softening makes the rigid plates workable.
The tanning process begins in these chemical baths. Under the searing orange glow, the specialized tanning solution is rapidly absorbed, tightening the fibers.
Rapid cooling sets the chemical treatment.
The pressed hide now enters the massive drying chamber, where powerful currents of warm air begin the critical drying process. Controlled drying ensures uniform stability. The dye penetrates deeply for a lasting finish.
From the initial drying and stretching to the precise application of dye, every hide moves through the continuous
Laser precision ensures zero material waste.
A wide shot reveals the laser completing its intricate pattern. This complex, pre-programmed dance cuts multiple components from
Each stitch is locked for lifelong durability.
The transformation line operates in perfect synchronization, with laser cutters, stitching stations, and presses.
Every mechanical function is tested for perfection.
The approved unit is placed securely in the foam casing. A green light signals acceptance, and the product moves to the next stage of assembly.
Each piece is hand-wrapped by precision machines.
The journey from raw material to shipped product is nearly complete.
The final product begins its global journey. From raw wilderness to refined luxury.
The story is preserved in every grain.
A testament to nature, refined by process. The final link in a global chain.
Hand-finished and saddle-stitched, the cream silk interior is revealed, a testament to enduring quality and craftsmanship.
Rising from the shadow of the peaks, the complex is a solitary monument to industry.
From nature's design to human hands.